As in today's video, I'm gonna show you tips and tricks to help make the kids' lunches at school every day. Guys, no lunch is complete. This packet, this is the base of everything, all right? And I love this because of the size and mostly because this insulated part right here, this gel, so this whole thing goes in the freezer. There's no pack you have to slide in. This is fantastic. So you can put it in this way with this, and you can see it fits perfectly. Or another setup that we have for this year is we have the Hydracy, I'm not really sure how you say it. Put that in here towards the edge. Now this is a little bit tighter of a fit, but it absolutely does still fit. So there you go. And then they're off to the races. They're a little bit bigger, so they're in middle school now, so they require more water and more food, which is why we needed slightly bigger containers. I love this thing so much. When I unboxed theirs, I went and bought one for myself. This Bentgo box, you have this top piece, the middle part, and then this nice wide bottom container. This thing is, I am beyond impressed with this. We'll see how it fares through the year, but right now, it's a total yes for me. So some of the things that I use to help make sure that the kids have, fun with their lunches, this is one thing that we added this year because they didn't have a way to have warm lunches. And you guys look at this. This is this little thermos. You guys watched my Amazon haul from the other day, then you saw all of this stuff coming out of the box. This is the 16-ounce one. So this is great for like if we make whatever we make, whether it's stir fry or curry or whatever, they can eat this. Oh, and then one other thing, and I'll just have to put a picture right here because it's not here in time for me to do this video, and the kids start school tomorrow. It's this little salt and pepper shaker. It's about this big, so it has salt on one side and pepper on the other, and I can just throw that in the bag, and then that way they can add seasonings to their food. A lot of the times the kids will want things like chicken nuggets, and of course they're gonna want sauces, right? And there's no really good way to put a sauce in a lunch until I discovered this. And guys, everything will be linked below. 200 cups and 200 lids, 2 ounce, all right? So I will put their little barbecue sauce in here, snap on the lid, and then there you go. I have this Bentgo box here. I'll just assemble and throw it in here. So this would go here, and then you could still put anything you want over here, all right? So that is one item. I know that this is kind of crazy, okay? See this? And I do this 12 times a year. So this is 60 some odd of these little setups, and let me show you what it is. So it's a piece of aluminum foil, piece of wax paper, and half of a paper towel because they rarely ever use this anyway. I have these under the kitchen counter, and then in the morning when I'm making their lunches, I just pull out 2 of these, and then that way I can just take it, and if it's chicken nuggets or whatever, they have oils and stuff, so I'll put it in here, I'll wrap it around, and then I'll put this around it to make sure to keep the heat and whatnot in, and then I'll just slide this in here or in the top of the packet, and then there you go. So I cannot tell you, this is a lifesaver. These 2 right here, it would be almost impossible for me to make them lunches every day the way that I do without this stuff. And so our boxes look a little beat down right now because I use them all the time. These are the aluminum foil sheets, and these are the wax paper sheets. And for this, I just cut these in half, and then we use a whole one of these, and then again, just cut the paper towels in half. Okay, so true to Amazon form, this arrived just in time for me to put this in this video. These are the salt and pepper shakers I was talking about. So I just went and filled them. Guys, look how cute. I mean, these things could not be cuter. Filled them and about 2 inches long, maybe 3/4 of an inch wide. Just look at that. That is so cute. So I have 2 because I have 2 children. Both of the ends are where you fill it. So I'll just have to explain to them that if they want the pepper, they just twist it like this. And then there's the pepper. Look how cute. Oh, I love this. Look, the little holes. Oh yeah, like a good amount of salt comes out. This is so great. I want one of these for myself. Oh my gosh, they're gonna flip out because they love salting their stuff, but they can't do that because I didn't have this. And then some other things I thought this would be so fun, like if you're during the holidays and you wanted to put like vanilla and cinnamon in it to put in your coffee, or if you had cinnamon and then maybe like a like keto-friendly sweetener you could put right here. And it's supposed to be moisture proof, which is great because we live in Louisiana, so we need all the help with that we can get. But I did just want to show you that, and this is what it looks like. I can't show it to you all together because the kids are already at school, so they have their lunch boxes with them. But I hope you guys found that helpful, and if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to click subscribe and hit that little bell notification so you know whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.